Hi guys, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. And then we are going to start the video. In this tutorial, we will discuss that using the layer masking options. Select the object layer, choose the layer containing the object you want to clip. Go to layer masking options, go to layer masking, reveal all, draw a path, use the brush tool or the pen tool to draw a path around the object. Create a clipping mask, go to layer, create clipping mask or use the shortcut control plus go to layer